Good evening. Good evening, guys. Good evening. Good evening. Welcome to the stream. Funded account passed away around after seven blown account. Yes, nice, very nice. So, if you are passing your funded account after for the first time or after long time or after so many blown account, you will feel like you are the top of the world. So, my advice would be you can stop trading for or you can skip 1 or 2 days. Just take a break for 1 or 2 days. Otherwise, you will be very emotional because you feel like you want to earn money instantly, or uh, after you pass your funded account, it will be any kind of profit. It may be $100, $500, $1,000, whatever it is. It's a withdrawable amount, so you will be feel much greedy from before. So my advice will be, if you're passing your funded account, take a break. Take a break. Enjoy. I miss these moves. Yeah, I miss this move. Yesterday, I got a TP, and I just know that God will take out these highs, but This was a very easy trade, bro. I'm missing on this. Let's see if I got some moves now. Yes, 7-8 account blown for me, but still unable to pass challenges. Brother, do you do your journaling for that? Blowing account or losing account is part of the game, first of all. But you need to learn something from your mistakes. And as a trader, there is only one thing you have to do. You will make mistakes, but don't make the same mistake again and again. I'm repeating again. You can make a new mistake today or tomorrow, but don't repeat the same mistake again and again. So, what have you really done till now? Write down your mistakes, find out your mistakes from your journal. That's why journaling is very important. And don't try to repeat the same mistake again and again. That is the only thing you have to do. But that is not easy. That's what I'm talking about. Euro USD on sale. Let's see. And okay, goal is coming for this retracement. Okay. Okay, bro, thanks. Yeah, guys, you are very nice guys. Like, whatever I'm talking about, you are like applying what I'm saying. So that is good for you. And I feel very good that, and I feel like very grateful for myself that I can share something to all of you. Brother, I don't have any idea about that for banking and all. Use your bank. I don't have any idea, but if I know, I will share. But if I don't know, then simply I don't. I don't know in that part. Sorry, bro. I don't have any idea about it. Let's see. I can get some scalping on gold as well. And right now, I'm on this trade. This is on Euro USD. I'm getting on sell short. This will be my TP. And let's see how it goes. And on gold, 3 hour, 4 hour. About 2 hours. Okay. This is too much information. I will delete some. I'm not getting here. Let's see. What about this one? 740. I'm missing so many threads today. I miss these moves again over here. I miss these moves again. Again from this level, I want to buy, but I miss this again. Not this one. I just want to check X or this one. Let's come for more retracement. This is the area it can be respected on dollar index. Still, I'm not in on this trade. I'm just waiting for some confirmation because in next 10 minutes I will get some confirmation. Gold, it can go to these highs, but it's most likely it can take out one more loss and goes up. So let's see. Okay, guys, I'm in on this trade somewhere here, and stop loss is 1.5. Stop loss is somewhere here. Let's say this could be a scalping. One more on this is on EU. For EU, it will take some time because this is in a very long consolidation, but bro, ID gold short, it doesn't matter, brother. You are trading in with your own experience. You are trading what you see, even though I'm buying or you are shorting, it doesn't matter. So don't be very emotional like, oh, he is buying or he is selling. So be with your own, stick with your own plan. That's it. I may be wrong, you may be right. You may be wrong, I may be right. But first of all, don't influence your view in the market with others' opinion. Okay? I may be wrong, you may be right. You are trading with your setup. That's it. It can bounce back from here or it can come back to this level once again after mm, 15 to 30 minutes. That's it. It's all about timing, guys. Time is one of the most key when you are trading. Not only price, time is also very important. What timing are you entering for buy or for sell? So it can get some reset from here. Euro USD is also retracing so badly. Fuck it. What about 3 hour? 3 hour candle closing in 2 minutes. This is not good. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Still it can take this low once again and shoots up. Let's see. It's possible. For psychology control, you need to be surrounded by right-minded people, first of all. Secondly, you have to be disciplined in your day-to-day life. Like you need to follow your to-do list. And first of all, if you want to be disciplined in trading, the first thing is that you need to be a disciplined person in your day-to-day life. That's it. So for that, uh, you need some time, like 5 to 6 months. You need to be very trained yourself. Silver is shooting up, but gold is struggling right now. So I'm hoping it can liquidate downside first and goes up like this. Let's see. I'm on this trade. I already entered this trade. How's buy Tarokino bro? Liquidity low lacking. I'm already in buy, brother. And I'm on sale on this Euro USD. But I don't know. I think according to this candle closing, it can get some more retracement. Let's see how it works. struggling on this level. Okay, it's looking good. This is 1 minute time frame. This one, 1 minute time frame. I'm still holding. I'm still holding. But according to silver, I will book 50% of my profit over here because I feel like it can get some retracement. So I'm booking 50% over here. Okay, I book 50%. Let's see, because on silver, it feels like it can get for some retracement first before upside. But let's see. Because as you can see on silver, 3 hour candle is just opening 10 minutes before. So it's very high chances it will go down first and come back again. So that's why I'm booking 50% profit on gold over here. But still, my stop loss is down here. I'm still holding my 50%. And before this high is taken out, if this price goes down again and take this low first, then I will re-enter here again. For example, before this high is taken out, if it goes down first and take this low first again, then I will took another trade over here like this. And if it hit this high first and it came back down, then I will not took that trade. As you can see, it tends for some retracement because this is a very high chances this level. Okay, okay, let's wait and watch, guys. Let's wait and watch. Actually, I missed so many trades today. I missed this sell on London session. I missed this buy, and again I missed this buy from this level. It's a very solid buy. Let's see. 5 minute candle closing is good. It was closing above this high with this candle, body of the candle. This is very good sign. 15 minute closing will be in 3 minutes. How can we find the tradable liquidity? So first of all, liquidity is very simple. Like every highs and lows, there will be a liquidity, but the most important liquidity will be session highs and lows. Like Asian session high and lows, London session high and lows, New York session high and lows. These are the most important liquidities intraday. And if you are looking for bigger time frame, then weekly highs and lows and daily highs and lows. That is also very important liquidity. Okay. As I told you, it can come back for some retracement. It's coming right now. That's why I'm booking 50% profit over here. So let's see, it can react from this level once again. It can react from this level and hits my TP, or it will be a very sharp retracement downside. It can take out these lows once again or these lows even. So if it does so before taken out this high, then I'm willing to enter one more trade below this low if it does so. So for me, in my initial states, I will be looking for only 1:2 risk to reward. Either it hits my TP or stop loss. But according to my experience nowadays, sometimes I book profit, sometimes I move my stop loss according to my experience. So it's all about experience, guys. How much experience do you have in front of the chart? That is the key. As I told you, because I'm booking over here, exactly over here, 50%. Because in my initial days or from my mentor, he doesn't teach me it will get retracement from this level, right? But how can I know that it can get some retracement from here? That comes from my experience. So trading is all about experience. It's all about how you stay in this market for long enough of time without expecting any results. That is the game. This is very important level. This is called a mitigation block. So if it respect this level, then it can go easily higher from here. Or if it doesn't respect this level and break down by body of the candle on this level, then it can take out these two lows and again it can push up. So let's see what it gives. The only thing I can control is my number of trades, my risk management, how many trades I'm taking, when I'm taking my trades, when I will be stopping today. It depends on me. I can control that. But this market I can't control. So you have to be very flexible with that. Brother, whenever I took trades and my TP is about to hit, I could not control my emotion like what if market goes down without hitting my TP? How can I solve this problem? Okay, for that, I will give one advice for that. If you are in that emotion state, then fix your TP and fix your stop loss, close your laptop, turn off your computer. That's it. Don't ever watch that price. You will be very emotional. So it will happen to all the beginners. So set your stop loss and set your TP once you enter the market. Then let it hit your either stop loss or TP. That's it. Don't be in front of the chart while after you enter your trade. You will be very emotional. I'm watching this with all of you guys. With I'm doing this live in front of you. I can watch this upside movement, downside movement because I'm already experienced. I can handle my emotion nowadays. That's why. But in my initial stage, I'm same with you. I cannot. Let's say I can't control my emotion, and whenever it's going to my TP, I feel like I'm booking my TP before I hit my TP, or whenever it comes to my stop loss will getting bigger and bigger. So it happens. So my advice will be once you enter the trade, set your TP and stop loss, forget about it. Let it be. Close your laptop, close your or turn off your computer and do something else like reading books or uh, playing games. Let it be. Let it be. Let it hit your stop loss or TP first. Marakta khut lengano ba? Yan tayo ko. Marakta khut lengbado yam haiba or yam yadaw manbani kaysa yadabani. Arey yaar, this is retracing so badly on Euro USD. If it takes this highs first, then I can still hold this trade. For me to become consistent profitable, I took more than 4 years, 4.5 years. I started from 2019 and I see a very small consistent result from 2023 June, July. Is scalping within 10 second, 20 second allowed in funded account? I don't think so, brother. That is very high frequency trading. So 99.9% of funded account will not allow that kind of uh, scalping. Even they allow, there is more chances that you will lose money because according to the spread, if you are trading in future, that's totally fine. But in futures also, there are so many rules that you must hold your trade at least 30 seconds or 1 minute. Otherwise, your account will be in breach or it will not count it your profit. I feel like it will get a very quick drop, upside or downside. Sorry, a very quick drop downside, or maybe a very quick upside, like this one or this one from this level. Let's see. I feel like that. Do you do this live daily? Yes, I will be doing live every day, but I feel like, let's say for example, when I see the market and market is not in a very good condition, then I will not doing that day live because I'm not trading. But when I feel like I will trade because the market is good, then I will do live on that day. But most of the time I will be in live. Like whenever I'm trading or not, I will be in live because I want to interact with you all guys. At least I can take some lessons from you guys. Already you are also a trader. You can teach me. Like there will be some ways. Like I can teach you in some ways, or I can learn from you in some ways. So that's it. I'm not the like Aussie kind of a trader. I can learn from you. You can learn from me. That's it. That's what I told you just few minutes before. From this level, it can drop very sharply or it can push up very sharply. This is what you are seeing right now. This is experience, guys. Trading gold with sessions liquidity is the best. Yes, yes. Arey yaar, how much retracement you will go Euro USD? Just drop it. Time to drop. Come on. On this trade, guys, I'm still holding my 50% TP over here. somewhere here, TP. If someone is a SMC trader, is it important for him to use price action also? Brother, first of all, whether it is SMC or price action, price is price. It's the way of looking with the price. It's called SMC. Everything is price action. Bro, I hit stop loss 10 consecutive row. It's very hard to see my PNL. How to overcome this kind of situation? Okay. So first of all, if you are losing 10 consecutive trades, then first of all, you need to take a break. Just take a break, write down your journal for each and every trade you took, write down your journal. Take a screenshot of that day with uh, with your setup. Take a screenshot, and then you can do journaling in Notion or something like that, and find out your mistakes and stop trading for a week or at least 2 to 3 days. Otherwise, you will be very emotional. You will feel like revenge trading once again. So, taking a break, like when not to trade. I will write here when not to trade. This is the word where every trader ignores. Everybody will focus when to trade. When when to trade. So 99% of the trader will focus when to trade. But if you really want to be in this game, you must focus on when not to trade. This is more important than this one. Okay? So write down yourself that when not to trade. Euro USD is reacting from this level, exactly from this 50%. Let's see. I took this one on my another account. Same bro. I have also experienced that some same market several times. That market makes sudden uptrend or downtrend and hit my stop loss or TP. That moves very instantly. Yes, 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 correct. Silver is struggling on this level. So once it break upside, it will be very huge for silver, and it can camp for this level, for this high. Another questions, bro, which I have been facing recently. When I took trade on funded, I lose it, and when I don't trade and start just look at the market with my setup, found TP always. First of all, brother, it will be happen in every trader. So you have to be stay long enough with that kind of situation, and everything will come from your journal. Like if you are a trader and if you don't journal yourself, you are doing something wrong. A big no for that kind of situation. So first of all, that's why experience is very important. Come down, come down, come down. Nice, nice. It can, from this level, it can come down, take out this liquidity once again, and it can do like this. And guys, 40 people of you watching this live right now, are you still on the trade or waiting for your setup? Sorry guys, I'm suffering from some allergy, that's why. Bro, do you took a trade just before? Do you, bro, you took a trade just before? Which type of confirmation you use for that? For which one? For this one or for Euro USD? Waiting for the setup. Okay. On which pair, on which asset? Trade goal. Okay. EU. Nice. Again, it started consolidating on this level. It feels like very boring, looking this same chart over and over again for years and years. And as a beginner, it's again a very worst thing. Like you have to spend your time with the chart, and after sitting in front of your laptop or desktop for 7 8 hours just to lose money. That's how it works as a beginner. But you have to stick with that for long enough time. It will worth it, bro. If I will give a very nice advice. If you are a trader, don't give up. That's it. Don't give up on trading, guys. It's very worth it. Yes, it may take 3 year, 4 year, 5 years. It depends, but there will be a day like you can control your emotion very well. You can see the market with proper eye training. You will get more experience. It will be very very worth it. So don't give up. What type of confirmation do you see before entering this trade? I will explain you, bro. Don't worry. It's a very long story, but it depends with my experience. But first of all, just when you are trading, guys, even though you are scalping in 1 minute or 10 seconds, it doesn't matter. First of all, you need to be very clear about higher time frame like daily time frame and weekly time frame. So in daily time frame, gold is already bullish for long enough of time, and with this big retracement, this big manipulation, now we are heading from this high to this low, and now we are in the range from this high to low. Now we are within this range. So within this range, I can see this is a swing low over here, this is a swing high, another swing low over here, and we can see from this low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now we are in a higher high on daily time frame. So in daily time frame, yesterday we got some retracement, and for this week, Monday is opening with this gap up. This is a gap, this is called a volume gap. So it respected this gap yesterday, uh, and filled this gap also on yesterday, and tapping to this order block. See this order block, just exactly tapping to this order block. So it might get, it can go higher from here, but it can be some retracement from this level to downside. But in 4 hour time frame, in 4 hour time frame, expansion retracement from this level, taken out this liquidity in 4 hour, and this candle closing is very good for this expansion. This is an order block, or these two will be an order block. Now we are in within this order block in 4 hour. So we got a very good rejection over here, and in 1 hour time frame, I'll show you. In 1 hour time frame, we can see this breakout structure over here, another retracement. So this could be another expansion. So I'm taking on with this retracement from this low to this high, equilibrium will be somewhere here. This is another order block over here again, and filling this 1 hour fair value gap once again. And after this retracement, you can see a very nice candle closing over here, 1 hour candle closing. This is a very good candle closing when we are in bullish. Again, in 15-minute time frame, on this puts, I wait for this retracement, and in 5 minutes I got on that retracement. That's it. I told you guys, I told you, just see this. I told you this is a very big consolidation over here. So lots of liquidity downside. I just draw this one. It can be a very quick liquidity grab and goes up. It's happening. So let's see. That's why I'm not moving my stop loss to break even. And once again, before taking out this high, if it comes down and takes some liquidity, maybe this low or this low, then I can take another entry from somewhere here. That will be my another bias. But let's see, if it hit my TP for this one, then it will be another case. According to this setup, it can come for some retracement. So this high will be still my point of interest. If it came down, this high will be still my point of interest. So if it does so, before taking out these highs, if it came down once again and take this lowest liquidity, and if I see breakout structure once again from this low, I will took that entry once again. Let's wait. Arey yaar, this DXY is also in consolidation right now. What about 30 minutes? 30 minutes is looking good though. Okay, okay. I hope this time it will hit my TP. Let's see. I told you this level. You see this level. This is a very important level over here. This is called a mitigation block. There will be two types. One is called breaker block. One is called mitigation block. So this is an order block first of all over here. This two green candle. So when it goes down, it doesn't take out these lows. That's why I call it mitigation block. But if it goes down and takes out these lows once again, it will be breaker block. So in this case, it doesn't take out these lows. That's why this is a mitigation block. So this level will be very supportive level for price. That's why it goes down, respected. It goes down with the wick, but body of the candle is within this range. So it is just still respecting this level. Guys, please hit the like button, guys. Come on. I'm getting around how much? Around 19 likes. So uh 21 likes. So let's see. I need 100 like, guys. 100 likes. Please share this live. I will explain how I trade, and I will answer most of your questions, most of your doubts. And anybody, those who doesn't join my Telegram channel yet, it's completely free of cost. The link is in the description. You can join the Telegram group. It's everything for trading. So I share my bias, daily bias in gold, Euro USD, Nasdaq, GBP USD in forex pairs. I share my weekly view, my daily view, so we can enjoy together over there. Euro USD is looking good. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. गोल गोल को क्या हो गया? कंसोलिडेशन हो गया रे. Ah. Anybody from Manipur? Anyone? Because right now I'm on in Manipur, so I'll be staying here uh, until 10 of March. So this coming Holi, I will be here in Manipur. So anybody, those who are trader watching my live stream, we can do some meetup within Holi. So anybody from Manipur, please type one on the chat. Come on. Please type 1 on the chat. If that is 30 plus, then I will arrange a meetup for all of us during Holi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 7, 8. Not 8. It is already repeated. 8 now. Okay. 9. So for goal now, if it comes below once again and take out some liquidity before taking out this high, then it will be another very good setup for me. I will compulsory I will took a trade somewhere here, but let's see. 10. Share to your friends, guys. I need at least 30, and let's arrange a meetup during this Holi. 11. Euro USD is looking good. Let's go. Let's go. Twelve. I need 18 more on this live. On this live, I will be live until 8:30. So let's make 30. And anyone from Delhi? And anyone from Delhi? This year I will be traveling to Delhi, Bangalore, and mm, Delhi, Bangalore is for sure. And I may visit Kerala as well. And for other countries, I will be in Dubai and Bali within this year. Okay, okay, okay. Come down, come down, come down. EU on the chat, guys. Come on. Once again, EU on the chat. Call is still consolidating on this level. But I'm still holding this trade, guys. 50% is already booked somewhere here. And still I'm holding my 50% with same stop loss and same TP. And my plan is if it goes down before taking out this high and take some liquidity downside over here, and if I see some break of structure again with proper timing, then I will go for another buy on gold. 12 of you. Okay. So let's see. I need at least 30 of you so that we can do a mastermind. Na, 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 na. I just want to play music, but this fucking copyright will ban my life. अरे यार. There will be a day, like on this trade, I'm just risking around $500. But there will be a day, it's coming very soon, that my stop loss will be $5,000, $10,000 in stop loss. So I'm just manifesting that day. Like I'm already living on that day, hitting my TP, 60,000 in profit, $70,000 in profit. Life will be good. अरे क्या हो गया? Okay, in 2 minutes, it will be 9 o'clock New York time, so we can get some volatility in the market after 9. Good evening, brother. Do you live? Do you live account? Oh, sorry. Like you want to ask, I'm trading in live account or prop firms. I'm using both. For prop firm, I'm using funding pips, QT, E8 funding, got funded, fibers, then Finotive funding, funded next, and FTMO. These are the prop firm I'm using. And for live account, uh, I'm using my live account for sure. Yes, I'm trading with my live account. So I'm depositing some of my profits in live account as well. Live account will be for my growth. It will be for my future because I don't know when this funded account will end this game. So my future will be in live account. So I'm building my live account day by day. So if you are a trader, you can also build your live account. So you can open your live account very easily. I'm using right now. So if you want link for that, I just don't want to mention over here. You can DM me on my Instagram, or mm, you just join my Telegram channel, then I will share over there. I don't think we have any news. We don't have any news today. We don't have any news. We have news, but this all are not very red folder news. So you must be careful about red folder. 99%, 1% will be orange, this color. So we don't have any major news today. So you are free to trade. Okay, okay. Euro USD is on fire. I hope it can hit my TP on this live. It will be good. अरे गोल को क्या हो गया यार. Just imagine in this world, how many of traders will be losing money in this consolidation. Someone will be selling, 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 buying, buying, buying over here. Lots of liquidity. So consolidation or sideways, in another word, there is also called a liquidity engineering. So lots of liquidity is built up over here, upside and downside. And if you are watching news, okay, if you are watching news, don't confuse yourself with this timing. So actually, in my chart, this time zone is on New York time. Now is winter, so winter season, it will be UTC -5 New York time. So to match your timing with your chart, with this chart and with your news, you can change this timing. So change this one to Eastern Time, US and Canada, GMT -5, and turn this time format to 24 hour and save the setting. Okay. Finally, gold is moving, guys. Let's see. It can hit my TP this time. Are you guys enjoying this live? Okay, it can get for some retracement. That's fine. 4 hour candle is very good in Euro USD. So this is a gap over here, volume gap. It was closing below this volume gap after taken out this liquidity upside. So this is a very good sign. Let's see. You have trading view premium? No, bro. This trading view is not paid version. I have another one that is for my personal use. Like when I do a very deep analysis, I will use on that trading view. But for this one I'm using for this live, and when I'm taking my classes for Trade House community, I'm using this trading view. And this is not paid version. Let's see, let's see. 15 minute will be closing in 5 minutes. So if it close like this with this body of the candle, then it will be a very good sign. And from this rejecting in 15-minute candle is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, it's already 8 15-minute candle. So if it break above this high, then it will be very fast. Even it can reach this level though, this highs. Okay, goal is started retracing. I must be very careful because this is another opportunity over here. So if it does take some liquidity downside, it may be this low somewhere here. And if I see one more break of structure upside, that will be my another trade. first trade. Let's see how it goes. And if I hit my stop loss on this trade, I will look for one more. If I hit TP, then I will be done for today. If I hit stop loss, then I will look for another setup. This is my A setup, not F plus setup. That's why I'm risking only setup. That's why I'm risking only 1%. On my A plus setup, I am risking 2% of challenge risk. Let's see if I hit this. My account, because this is the exact, it hit my stop loss on my account, because this is the exact, this is my first trade. Let's see how it goes. And if I hit my stop loss on this trade, I will look for one more. If I hit TP, then I will be done for today. If I hit stop loss, then I will look for another setup. This is my A setup, not F plus setup. That's why I'm risking only 1%. On my A plus setup, I am risking 2% of challenge risk. Let's see if I hit this stop loss, then I will wait for some setup form. Okay, it hit my stop loss on my account, because this is the exact, it hit my exact stop loss limit. This is my first trade. Let's see how it goes. And if I hit my, Okay, guys. For now, it's very likely to take out and move upside. Let's see. If it came down and took this liquidity once more before taking out this highs or even this high, then I'm willing to take track another one over here. Let's see. After 9:30, we can get some. It will be in 8 minutes, so we can get some volatility in the market. Guys, can you hear me? One, two, three, check. Okay, now gold is in a very interesting level. अरे इसको क्या हो गया? Three hour. What about 4 hour? Okay. Another one over here. Okay, see the price. It can take out this liquidity. I will this low again. You can hear my voice. Okay, okay, right. So the DXY is again retracing back. It's going back and forth price action. Why does it does so? So now I can clear this one. Okay, guys, I'm losing on this trade. Sorry for my mute. And right now, I will be looking another trade over here because it feels like it can get some more downside, at least to this level. So I must be very careful on this level. Whether I'm looking a buy opportunity within this level or I will wait for more further down. DXY and Euro USD is again retracing to this level. But 4 hour candle closing is very good. I don't know why. It's in a very big consolidation from past few days. So 1 hour. This will be 4 hour. Mhm. Okay, I don't get any rejection till now. So if it close like this, it can give some more downside. This is in silver. Silver is getting reacted from this level. Okay. 9:30, 9:30, 9:30. And guys, I still don't get any confirmation. Let me wait. Mm-hmm. Okay, okay, it's moving down. Let's see. So in this scenario, it's very likely for this low if it close like that. So need to be very careful on this level. Same with silver. Silver can be a very good retracement from this level. Even it can retrace back to this consolidation once again over this level. So it's a very huge downside. Mhm. Okay. Again, it started retracing back for Euro USD. So the volatility is coming after 9:30, guys. It can be very interesting. Guys, I don't have any confirmation right now, so let's wait. I can get some confirmation in 5 to 10 minutes. Hmm. There is no weak downside. That's why I'm waiting still. First, I got the structure shift. Okay, so I'm entering over here and my stop is somewhere 1517. Okay, let's see, guys. I'm entering this one. Okay, this is a crazy level over here. Let's see. DXY is just hanging around over here. Let's see some news on Twitter. Guys, I'm in break even on this trade. It's about to hit my TP. Sorry, guys, I'm talking with my friend. So, uh, this one, it will, I can hold until this high, and almost I'm booking 90% profit. For GU, it's hanging around over here, DXY and GU. But it's looking good. I hope if silver gets above this high, it will be a very good trade for gold as well. And guys, I'm holding I'm booking 90% on this high for this trade, and around 10% I'm still holding in break even. So this is the one. It's in break even. Still, this high is not taken out yet. It can come for some retracement first, and it will go for that. This is already tap in. As I told you, if it goes down from this level, and if I see some break of structure from this level, I will enter one more. So this is exactly what I'm talking about. Let's hit that DP. It's about to hit, but some pips left. Euro USD is again retracing back. Shit, it's hanging around for a long time. Let's see. Okay, it hits my TP, guys. So on this trade, I'm booking around 2.2%. I'm almost up 2.2%. It's done, 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 done. I'll show you the state. Trade history, trade history. Okay. See, this is the scalping. I don't know you can see it or not. For funding pips, you can risk on challenge phase, the daily drawdown, only in challenge phase, not in funded account. And in QT, you cannot risk 75% of that. The daily drawdown is 4% for QT, but you cannot risk 75% of that. So it depends. So if you're trading with funded account, you must be very clear about the rules. Are Euro USD is again starting going upside. So this is the only scenario for GU. Here is the liquidity. So after it takes out this liquidity, then it can be very clear for that. Let's see. Still, I'm holding this. See this manipulation. It's fucking crazy. So that's it, guys. That's it. I may take another entry, but not now. I will wait for some time within 10:30 or 11. This one is okay. What about this one? Mm. Okay, how was the trade, guys? On today's live, I took two trades. First trade is almost a break even because I booked 50% and 50% I hit stop loss. And on this trade, I hit my full TP. So it was a very good trade. So that's why I already explained before that before taking out these highs from this level, if it fails down and takes some liquidity downside, and again, if time permits, and if I see a break of structure upside again, I will be trading once more. That is exactly happening right now in my second trade. Anybody on this rally? Anyone? You said that the trade TP was 2%. What is your account size for that? For this second trade, my account size is 25K. That is uh so I book around 540 $50, I guess. So little bit more than 2%, but let's take 2%. That is on 25K, my second trade. And my first trade, that is also in my another account, that is not the same. What the fuck? Holding still Asians high, okay. My EU trade hit stop loss. I think my is also very near with stop loss. It's about to hit. Let me check. This is on my another account. It hit my stop loss on EU as well. Fuck it. This is on another account. I think this is on 50K. This is on 50K, so I'm losing 1.5% on this account. So this is the reason why it's getting very bullish. And for DXY, okay, if DXY goes down from here, then it will be a game changing because it's a very good level over here. Why is price action for Euro USD so bad? Because right now, bro, like it's all about currencies. So for currencies, it doesn't want to go higher in a straight way, or it doesn't want to go lower. So for example, currency rate, forex is all about foreign exchange. So in a currency rate, it cannot fluctuate that much, or it cannot be in a very trending price, like maybe in bearish or maybe in bullish. Forex pair doesn't trend very long, so most of the time it will be mostly in consolidation. So we have to be very careful about that. But overall, this is consolidation. If this came down to this level, then I may take another one. This is on my another account, because when I'm in profit, I will not risk again on that same account. Let it be in profit, or when I'm in loss, I'm not trading on that same account again. This is also my part of a risk management. Let's see, guys. I'm planning for this trade, but still I don't have confirmation. This will be a very small trade on my another account. But I will let you know if I took this one. This will be a very quick scalping, guys. I don't want to hold until high. This will be a very quick scalping. I just entered this one. Okay. On this one, I'm risking $500. This is on 50K. Actually, this is on challenge. So let's see. Last trade of the day on different account. I can risk 1% on this one. If I hit stop loss, I'm done. Five-minute is still good. It can be decided with this 5-minute candle. Okay, I'm done, guys. Hit my stop loss. I'm done. This is on my another account. So overall, uh, for today, I took 4 trades. One in Euro USD that hit my stop loss over here. 3 in gold. One is somehow break even. One is on another account. These 4 trades are in different account. So right now I'm down 1% on this trade on 50K, and I'm up 2% on my 25K account, and I'm also in break even in my another account. So that's overall for today. So I'm done for today, guys. I will not be trading anymore. My maximum trade is 4 to 5 max in different account per day. So I'm almost 4 trade right currently right now. So that's it, guys. That's it, and I will be live tomorrow again. Make sure you join tomorrow again on my live. So see you guys tomorrow, and have a very great day. Bye bye.